Today I'm going to show you how to reset Autodesk software licensing without even getting into the software. So the first thing I'll do is I'll type into a search Travis Nave AutoCAD Reset 2021 script, and then go to the Autodesk forum about resetting the licensing, and scroll down to the bottom of Travis's post. And here's a file that you can click to download. And once that's done downloading, you can show the file in the folder. And then you can right-click on it. So right-click and extract all. And extract. Then it will open the folder. And you just right-click and run as administrator. When you get this protection dialog box, tell it to run anyway, and then allow the app to make changes to your device. Once you get to the command script, you get presented with some options here. Option 2 is how you reset the licensing. So just type 2 and hit enter. Then it's asking you for the product key. If you're not sure what that is, you can Google for it. Autodesk 2020 product keys. And click on the article. I'm going to do a Control F and look up AutoCAD. And there it is, 001L1. So I'll come back to my command prompt, type in 001L1 and enter. And then I'm going to enter 2020.0.0.f. Just like the example, the only difference is replace 2021 from the example with the release here that you want to reset. And hit enter. And then it's going to ask if you want to reset the license. You say yes and hit enter. Then it asks if you want to do more. If you say yes, it starts the process again. If you say no, it will say that the process has completed. Press any key to continue. It closes the command script, and at that point you can open AutoCAD 2020. And it will ask what type of license you have. And you'll just say sign in with your Autodesk ID. Put in your email address and your password. And it will sign me in, and then you can verify that it has activated correctly by going into the Manage License and click on the little arrow, and you can see it's a term-based license paid up through 2023, and it is a user license. When they're network or multi-user licenses, it will say network up here. So that's how you can confirm that it did indeed switch. And that is how you switch from network to standalone, or from standalone to network. Basically just reset the licensing and you're good to go. Thank you for watching.